Oops. Come in. This is a venture. Maize venture. Let me see how many they have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 sacks. This one contains about, this one. This is like 2 kg. 2 kg of maize. So 7 of these can go in here. So this contains 7. Look that, and this whole sack takes up 6 of these. So these are 42 in here. 6 times 7, like 7 of these, 6 of these in here. So this is about 42 of these and all that. And then this, they're mixing it up with this. This is the acrylic super dusting powder, just to preserve it. It's an insecticide. It controls the larger grain from weevils and other insects in stored grains and pulses. It's just to weed off the weevils majorly. It's for commercial and agricultural purposes. You keep out of reach of children, of course. Yeah, basically that's it. These are just some precautions, more precautions, rates of how to use. It's measured in this cylinder, 50-gram cylinder per each of the mixing. So this is it. This is enough to preserve all this. There's still 2 more sacks there. There's 2 more sacks to go. Right here. These ones haven't been mixed yet. And there's 2 more behind the door. You can come in. You can just come in. You can remove your shoes. You might fall. Right there. Yeah, those 2 sacks right there. It's just a good venture, a good business venture, because one of these, buying one of these was like 100 shillings. That's less than $1. And then we might wait until the price goes up like 200 shillings. So you get like 100% profit. Maybe like we are in October, so in January, the price might go up according to the predictions of the market. So you might sell it off at 200 of this, buying at 100, selling at 200, or maybe 170 or 180. So that's the hope that this venture gives that. So crossed fingers, partnered up with my dad, and yeah, here we are. So we are hoping for the best. Maize selling and maize buying is always a good venture, always, because people need to eat anyway. Always. So let's go check out the chicken. That huge padlock for security. No theft allowed. Let's check out the chicks. Come in. Zinakaa healthy, ziko sawa na ziko active. Unaona zenye umetoa nje zote zinatembea, zinakula. Hata zenye zimebaki hapa ndani, hizi zinalala tu, bora usipige hivi ndio. Ukiwa ndani wanalala tu. Na zinajikunja pamoja. Zinakaa hiyo juu ya baridi. Hiyo sasa wanapendanga hivi. Wanapendanga kukaa mahali pamoja. Kama hapa usiku. Kuna tuwili nilikuwa nimetoa 24. 25. Alafu nikuongeze mbili. Usisahau zikakuwa ni less. Si nimehesabu tu ukiona vizuri. Haiwezi kuwa less. Haiwezi kuwa less hata kidogo. Sisi si akifika pia atahesabu. swarming here. There's a light. Behind it, there's a light. You can capture it. There's a light here. There's a switch. Oh, there's no electricity, but yeah, there's the switch. And welcome to the chicks. Come closer. They've really grown. They're like 3 weeks old. Because I got them at 1 day old. They were 1 day old. So right now they're like 3 weeks. They've really grown. Even size-wise, look at this one. This one's to grow. So this is how big they've become. I'll just put a video down here of how they looked at 1 day old versus now. They can even jump out. They're usually ready at 3 months. These are the croilers. They are croilers. Of course, we have croilers, layers. So these are croilers. The interbreed of the local and the genetically modified. So it's called croilers. It's like improved kienyeji, the improved local version of it. There's a whole lot of food in this thing. This is what they're eating, chick mash. It's basically the chick mash. And there's water on the other end, right? On the other end, there's water. You can show us they feed on this side. Wow, it's beautiful. Look at that. They're escaping. And the other side, try to show the other side. They're busy feeding on the other end. Looks beautiful. Then collect the manure down here. This is their waste. This is the waste, which is like manure, you know. You can take this to the farm and grow vegetables peacefully. Hi, chick. Hi. Yeah, it's good manure. It collects down there. The house is not yet done because we're looking into doing a larger scale of this. So this is just like the starting point, basically. So the house is still under construction. As you can see, there's a barbed wire here. Is it a barbed wire mesh? Is it a mesh?
Chicken wire.
Chicken wire, yeah. So it's still being constructed. Everything going on. There's another room for where to keep their feed. So you can just check it out. There. So those are actually 102 because I got 100 and then I was added 3 more just for emergencies or you know any miscellaneous. So one died and now we have 102 remaining. Only 1 casualty, which is a good thing. Just to restore the food. Small, but it's enough. This is just to keep the food stuff because and we have the vaccinations, you know. So maybe like medicine and then the chick mash. They started with chick mash. There's growers mash and then the finishers pellets. So they can be stored here and locked up. This is an old dog, an old house. Wow, didn't know it existed. We'll go to Kim. Kim is peacefully sleeping. Look at him. Oh, in the blind cow. Yeah. You can see Kim. Yeah, let's say hi to Kim by the way. Right here. He's peacefully asleep. Such a good dog. I don't want to touch him. He has some ticks. Oh God. Really? And he was just taking the shade right there. I think the house needs to be checked. His house needs to be checked and constructed properly. Maybe put in some wood ash. They call wood ash. Yeah. Those shavings from the wood. I think we need to put in something quite to make it habitable. I don't think it's habitable enough. Needs to be checked. Let's check out now the local chicken, the kienyeji chicken in here in this mud house. Kim, bye bye. We'll be back. There's no electricity, so it's a bit dark, but basically these are the chicks from the local, you know, the local breed. They have some drinking water right there, drinking water, and some food. So they're very busy. You can see them. Let me see. I think these ones are. Let me see. Oh, this is like an interbreed of the guinea fowl and the chicken. So they have the guinea fowl feathers on the back. I don't want to lift it up because they might escape, but yeah, you can see from the back right there. They have like, can you be able to capture that? Look at their necks. It's the interbreed, and also the necks can show you. Oh, I think that's good. I love how tiny these are. This is for the small tiny chicks. It's very tiny, and they've cleaned them. Look very clean. This is like, how many milligrams of this? 50? 100? It's very small. Maybe. This is where the ones that are now roaming about usually feed from here. Just right here. Mostly in the morning. So just a startup in the morning, then during the day they can look after themselves. A lot of food stuff spot here, like maybe flour or the feeds right there, and then some water in there, just to keep them, you know, kick-started in the morning. They are over there. This is just roaming about the local breed. That is right here. And the blind cow. Oh God, look at that. I wonder how it feeds. Look at it, it's coming. Let's wait for it. I think it's adapted. Maybe it looks like it knows where it's going. It's like just the others.
Habari. Mzuri.
Unazipeleka nje? Usifungulie gate.
Bana, nafungua.
Utafungua gate.
Yeye anafungua.
You can move to. Actually, he's saying that the blind one is usually very fierce. I think maybe it's a self-defense mechanism. It's not very easy to handle. It's a bit rough. Let me help you.
Good. Aende kwa ile kubwa iko huko.
Hiyo ni kali.
Hapana. Oh. Aende huko ndio kubwa hiyo.
Okay.
Hapana, kwa ipicha hiyo anakuwa vizuri.
Oh. Oh. He's directing me so that we go to the big ones right there. They are almost going out, but I think they are fierce. Usually fear them. Let's just go.
You want to pass by with this?
Was it? Oh. Because of the kids, they're a bit fierce. They're protective. Yes. Oh, Maris. You know, they are protective of the young ones, so that's why mostly the male one and the female one, they are a bit fierce. When you go near them, look at them. It's a whole family, right? They are very peaceful. Let's just go to the shop. We check out Madam Francisca's cow, my mom's cow. It looks very full. Okay. Very full. It's right Is it expectant? It looks expectant. This is my mom's cow. I said when I come home I'll be coming to say hi to it every other time. Looks good. You can touch it. Try. Let's check out the gate. Umeniita? Huh? So actually the last time I was home, this place had fallen down. So actually now I'm making it, starting afresh to clean it up. Umeshiba? Nimeona ugali ilikuwa ati haiwatoshi. Umeongeza? Oh, I'm just asking them if they are full because we've just had lunch. So yeah, I love how it's coming up. It had fallen down this whole part, but the other one had not fallen. I think they just reinforcing it the other side. So there's still a lot to be done here. This part still not covered yet. Still needs more cement and bricks and everything. So slowly by slowly, and the other reinforcement of that. And you can show them the sugar cane. Look at that. They've actually, I think they've started maturing. What does it mean when they, they start producing the flour? No, so do you know why they might produce the flour? Look at that.
No idea.
I think that shows they are mature.